So first thing I'm going to do is just try to push this back to the furthest position. I'm going to turn this on. And now I'm going to turn the cutter on. I just want to home this thing, so here goes that. I'm going to begin homing. I hope you caught that, but it did move a little bit in the Y direction. And you can see this is now moving into all the way up here. It's already stopped. I think it's already engaged the switch, and I don't know why it's doing whatever it's doing. So now it stops. If I go over and let's see, I'm going to assume, I've left this on for 5 minutes at a time. I'm going to assume it's not going to do anything. If I then close this out, open up this again, connect, ask to move the cutter, begin homing, it should give me a switch error. Yeah, limit switch. Okay, that's the deal. Thanks, bye.